Well, I'm tracking a strong cold front that's going to bring us some big and abrupt changes in the weather this evening and tonight. The first change is going to be an uptick in the winds. We are tracking the potential for 50+ mile-an-hour gusts, and those will be possible starting around midnight and continuing for most of the day on Monday. The next big change that you're going to feel is the abrupt drop in temperatures. We're going to go from the 60s to the 20s, and there could be a flash freeze. And what that means for you, there could be areas of black ice developing by daybreak Monday. So this strong cold front is sweeping in from the west. It's actively producing some severe weather in western Indiana. There is going to be a gradual weakening trend in terms of the severity. However, it's still going to bring us some strong and gusty winds. So that line's expected to be here between about 8 to 9 p.m. for areas bordering the Indiana state line. By 10 p.m., the Toledo Metro sees rain and wind, and then by midnight, the lakeshore counties as those rain and thunderstorms clear on off to the east. However, tomorrow, there is actually the chance we get a few bursts of snow showers. Quite the change in the weather from 60s and rain to snow showers and possible blowing snow with this flash freeze. There is going to be a near 60-degree drop in the feels like or the perceived temperature, going from the 60s down to wind chills in the single digits. Air temperatures tomorrow are going to be in the 20s, but it's going to feel more like the single digits, and that's thanks to that strong westerly wind that may gust 50 to 55 miles per hour.